Well, when you look into your heart back then and now, did you have anger? Did you have hatred for him?
Back then and even now, I'd still keep a cool head. Nothing has changed. When you let your emotions take over, when they're off the charts and you completely lose control, that's a very bad place to be. So you'll tire out faster. You'll fall for any kind of bait, and so on. I just knew that I needed to stay calm, composed, to stick to the plan no matter what happened, and not go beyond my emotional limits. This is a very, very dangerous moment when you give in to your emotions. You have to control them. Every single detail, every little thing has to be perfectly in place. The second you let it all slip, everything becomes a total mess. So once the fight was finally done, I just let all my emotions out. I had to step right in and prove it, and punish him, and show them I'm better, that I'm better than him, and put a final end to this whole bitter rivalry. When all of that was over,
Your emotions came out.
that's where my emotions just went over the edge. But until the fight was completely finished, starting from training, at the press conferences, at the weigh-ins, everywhere, in front of the media, everywhere, I kept myself completely under control. And I was very good at it. Honestly, looking back, it's been almost 8 years now. Looking back, well, I'm a little surprised. At that point, I was a very emotional guy too. Over these 8 years, a lot has happened in my life. But I'm surprised that I kept it together. And, well, it wasn't easy for me to keep myself within my limits, to keep myself under control like that.